What's up guys, welcome to my vlog. We're at my mom's favorite mall. My mom in the back, Miss Bray. We're going to the shops and we're gonna eat lunch. And yeah, we're going to walk up a bit faster. Come on, let's go. Okay, so talk to you guys later. In the crossing light. And we're gonna walk now, Central Bankstown there. Walking. Lots of people today, it's a Sunday. Hey guys, yeah, just gonna check what's in store in Cotton On. What's nice? That's nice. What else? You think that's nice? These look cool. It's nice. It's a new store. My bag. Mom just went to that now. Such a crowded day today. Busy day. It's great. I'll see you guys there. Now walking towards Dougie's Grill. It's downstairs. We're walking towards them. There's mom there. Wherever new. And yeah, so I'll meet you down there. And I'm walking down the escalator. Obviously, from there you can see. Walking closer towards Dougie's, and it's really crowded today. Dougie's, here we come. Dougie's, he's gonna order up some food in Dougie's Grill now. And the counter. Yeah, say hi, Raj.
Hi.
Yeah. Cookies. Yummy. A fruity tea. Yeah. I'm gonna enjoy my lunch first, and I hope you guys enjoy yours too. Just entered in sport, chewing out some soccer shoes for Wednesday sport coming up. What do you think, guys? Which one should I choose? I'm so mad. So many choices to choose from. We are here grocery shopping in Woolworths. And now we're gonna go in and get the trolley. My mom's gonna get some grapes now. Looking for a grape packet for my tummy, bro. It's time to pay the groceries. Mom scanning and bro helping out. Then I'm grocery shopping for today, and now we're heading home. So guys, don't forget, you're all awesome. Sampai, jumpa. Peace.